So if you find yourself in a niche that is really overcrowded, it can really feel overwhelming and you can start feeling lost and feel unseen and feel like you are doing something wrong, all right? But there are a few things that you can do to still separate yourself from that overcrowded niche. So if you look at the YouTube growth niche, it's really becoming crowded. If you look at the Faceless channels, the storytelling channels, African folktale, even the cooking niche, all these type of niches can really feel crowded sometimes. But it doesn't mean because thousands of people are already creating content in that niche that new people are not coming every day. As I speak now, somebody just opened another channel somewhere trying to start creating content around the same content you are already creating. So this is something that we cannot avoid as creators. But what can you do to keep the momentum? What can you do to stand out and be different from the crowd, even though you are creating about the same topics? Yeah. So this is basically what I'm going to be covering in this video today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Angela and I am the face behind this channel, and I am always excited to bring you update tips, strategies that will help you grow your channel faster. In other words, I want to help you small channels grow by sharing my experience and teaching you what I have learned. So what can you do when you find yourself in a niche that is really crowded? So first of all, you have to identify the gaps. Identify the gaps in your niche and then try to create content around those gaps. For example, it could be what questions are not being answered in your niche. If you want to create content about a particular topic, you could do your research and go and watch some few videos from other top creators. So when you watch that video, you are going to probably by yourself already notice maybe areas or some questions that were not covered. And in order to help yourself further, you can go in the comment section and see the type of questions people are asking. Because there are high chances that even when you create a video addressing a specific topic, it is possible that there are few things that are relevant that that particular video did not cover. So this is now your duty, especially as a new creator. Find the gaps. What problems are not being tackled? What questions are not being answered? Okay, do your research around these topics and then create your video. Your goal is not to like find another niche in your existing niche, but it's like to create a different angle, different from what others are already presenting, to bring out your content. That's one way you can deal with that. So the second thing you can do is to create a point of view. Okay, share your content based on your point of view, based on your experience. Yeah, then also develop a style how you deliver your content. All right, so just be unique, be authentic, and have a different style of presentation, a signature point of view. This is another way you can also stand out even inside a crowded niche. All right, sharing your perspective, using storytelling style, and just using a different way entirely to pass your message. Even if it's the same message another creator is passing, but the way you present it will resonate different with another audience or with a different type of people. And another way you can stay relevant in a crowded niche is to talk to a specific audience, okay? Micro down your audience. For example, if you are in the YouTube growth niche, you can decide to focus on small channels, channels under 1K subscribers, channels or creators who just created their channel, you know. In other words, you just narrow down your audience and have less competition. So this is another way you can stand out, all right? Or if you are in another type of niche, let's say you are in the cooking niche, okay? You can niche down to creating menus or meals like targeting busy moms, quick recipe, busy moms with kids, with family, or working class mom, how to prepare your family meal for the whole week as a busy mom. So you really niche down the type of audience you want your videos to address. All right. So when you do that, when you are able to micro down your audience, you also create less competition for yourself. So this is another way you can survive and thrive even inside a crowded niche. Another way also for your videos is to use good hooks, grab attention, and have a style in which you grab people's attention to stay glued to your video. Okay, the first 30 seconds of your video is very important. Have a specific style of hooks, and also introduce storytelling to your videos any way you can. All right, so basically these are a way you build your authentic self, you build a brand, you build a unique style of delivering your message to your audience. This will also make you stand out. Maybe your videos are known for, funny hooks or outrageous hook. Okay, so just it's just all about being creative. Anyway, it's not easy. It's something that you figure out over time, and in time you will understand what works best for you. And the last point I want to share here today is to out-teach the competition with simplicity. Now, what am I referring to with out-teaching the competition with simplicity? Basically, what this is going into is, for example, let's say all these top creators, they have a very complicated, some of them have a very complicated way of delivering a specific topic, right? And not everybody can follow, especially all those our US based creators. It could also be the way they present their English or the way they use these tech terms and all that. It's not everybody that can follow. So you as a creator in the same niche, there is a way you will deliver this same topic with simplicity in a way that even a 5-year-old child can understand it. If you are able to deliver your content like that, trust me, a lot of people will really appreciate your type of videos, especially if you are in the how to do niche. If you teach something, if you are into the educational niche, you do tutorials and all that. If you are able to really break down your teachings, your steps, and explain in simple terms, this is going to win you a huge amount of audience, because other top creators out there, they might have a different style, more upgraded way of teaching the same thing. But you, as a new creator, you can try and simplify the same thing and present it to your audience. So this way, you might have the same audience, but there are always different audience inside the same audience. Let's say I want to learn how to upload a video the right way, and I watched one creator's video, and the tutorial I couldn't really follow the tutorial. Then I found your own video, and your tone, the way you explained it, the step-by-step guide was really helpful, and I was able to follow. All right, so what does that mean? It means that I'm probably going to subscribe to your channel, because why? It was your video that I was able to follow. Or let's say anytime there is a YouTube update, right? So you have a lot of creators coming out, they are explaining it, this is the new update, and you as a creator in a different niche, you are watching this video like you still don't understand what this person is trying to say. You don't understand. But then you see another creator's video, the way that creator breaks it down, the way they explain it, makes you understand better, and you're like, okay, now I get it. So this is what I'm trying to say with this point. Simplify the competition, like whatever is out there in your niche, maybe viral videos and you want to hop on the viral, maybe trending videos and you want to hop on that trend. First of all, watch other creators' video and see the areas they are not covering, see how they present it, and see areas where viewers might have challenges understanding what they mean. And now take it upon yourself to simplify those points and explain it, or even go more into details what this and that is going into. So this is how you can survive as a small channel that found itself in a really crowded niche. All right. So if you found value in this video and you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share this video so that other creators like yourself can benefit from this video. And let me know in the comment section, what are the strategies you are implementing to stand out as a creator? So if there is anything I did not mention in this video, please share in the comment section so that others can learn, so that we can support each other. And also, feel free to support each other, do it the right way, introduce your channel, what is your channel about, let's support each other and grow. Thank you for watching, everyone, and bye bye for now. Don't forget to what? Subscribe.